My name is John Fagin. I'm with IKO Commercial under the umbrella of IKO Industries. I'm a field service technician. I've been with the company for about 2.5 years, and I'm based out of Tampa, Florida, but I also cover the Texas region. We're field service technicians. We help contractors with details, assembly letters, come out for inspections afterwards to make sure they meet their warranty requirements. I like working at IKO Commercial. It's a very family-friendly environment. I feel like I'm heard whenever there's an issue. My favorite work experience while working at IKO was going out and looking at a job and being part of a project at the Space Coast. My best professional advice to rippers would be pay attention to the details, because most of the time that's the stuff that's missed. I like when I'm away from work to fish and to boat. You gotta make sure that you know what fish you're catching and where you're catching the fish at for the regulatory and the rules. Just like you gotta pay attention to the details in order to install a rope correctly.